How to hide your following list on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the following list on your Instagram account private and hide it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So there is no option that allows us to actually hide the following list. The only option that we have that allows us to stop people from viewing it is to make our account private. So this means only people that we allow to be followers on our Instagram account will have the option of selecting following and seeing who we're following on Instagram. Anyone not following us will not be able to see that. So to hide your following list by making your account private, navigate to your Instagram profile, select the three lines in the top right. Then all we need to do is scroll down a little bit and find account privacy. All we need to do is toggle that on. It'll give us some information about that and what it means. Select switch to private. Once it's black, give it a second to load, and then you can go back and now your account is private. So as an example, I navigated to that profile from a different profile. And now if I select following, nothing happens because I have not been approved to follow that account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.